Hi guys, welcome to Valley Motor Group. My name's Ben. Love to welcome a walk around video on our 2015 Holden Series 2 SV6 Ute. These ones here, very hard to find these days. This car is a local car with full history and we will go through that. On this condition report, I'm going to pinpoint any marks or scratches around on this vehicle and give you an idea of rough condition report on it. So here it's got the alloy wheels which are unmarked on the front, plenty of tread on those GT radius tyres. Down through the front, there's no chips on the guard. And down through on the front, you get the daytime running lights, parking sensors, and not really any chips, but there is some residue that has had some stone chips in the past. Coming through on the nose, this little scratch just here, and a couple of minor chips on the nose as you could expect for the kilometres, but overall it's in really clean order. You got the projector headlights as well. Little scuff just here, but overall it's in excellent condition. Down through here, you've got the GT radial tyres, plenty of tread, no gutter rash on this front alloy wheel, and down through the side it's really straight and clean. Couple of little chips just here on the door, but nothing to worry about, and no real marks over the mirror on this side. Down through the side it's in really clean order. Same thing, couple minor chips, two more just there, but overall it's in excellent condition. Same thing, you got the alloy wheels, couple little minor marks just here on the alloys, plenty of tread on the rear tyres. They are different to the front, they present new. Through on the front here, you've got the leather style finish, the door trim, blind spot monitoring on the mirrors, and does have the piano black finish as well. As you can see through the dash, all soft touch. You've got the carbon fibre style trimming, and you've got the leather trim. On the passenger side, it's leather and suede and is in really good condition. Plenty of space behind the back there with a child seat bracket as well. As you can see, 11th month 15, so it does make it a Series 2. And there's no marks over the roof at all. Got all the tail lights through the side, SV6 badging throughout. There's no real marks across the back. If I'm going to be picky, that's coming out. And you've got your tailgate that drops down to allow you with a huge space in the back. You've got 6 tie down points all through the back as well. And as you can see, down through the side, rear parking sensors as well as front. No marks on the rear alloy wheel. There's a little scuff just here, which will get pencil touched up as well. Got keyless entry, push button start, and through on the leather, it's in really good condition. Stepping inside on the SV6, you do get your cruise control just over here. All your audio controls are just on this side. Through the front, 150 Ks, you got your push button start just over here. All your menu functions, auto lights as well, and all your wipers. The leather wrap steering wheel is in really good condition with the piano black finish just through here. You got your infotainment system, and it does have a reverse camera as well with your parking lines. And then you got your main screen as well with many things you can play with on there as well. You've got dual zone climate control as well. Plenty of storage through here with a 12-volt power socket. Tiptronic auto, so you can down gear and up gear. You can park itself as well. So you're pressing this button here. You've also got your stability control, and you also got your parking sensors as well. And that's just how it finds its parking spots, and it will parallel park. Handbrake just on here. Large center console with USB plug as well, and another 12-volt socket. The dash is in really good condition. Side airbags as well. And you've also got, which makes this car very well looked after, a full printout with everything that's been ever done to the vehicle. It has had an extended warranty put on the vehicle as well. Unsure if there's a kilometre cap on there. But it does have everything on there from when the customer purchased the vehicle, and it is still current for a few more months. Just through in here, you got all the service history all the way through, all done by Holden. So feel free to have a look through. That warranty might be very beneficial for the vehicle. feel free to give us a call. We're happy to provide. We can look after you with finance, protection plans to protect the car as well. So we look forward to speaking to you soon. You can contact us on 5173 3888. That's 5173 3888. And we look forward to speaking to you soon.